What's the meaning of biotechnology? Biotechnology. Biotechnology.
Biotechnology. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field of science that involves the use of living organisms, cells and biological systems to create products and technologies that improve human health, agriculture, and the environment. It merges biology, chemistry, physics, engineering and computer science to develop innovative solutions to complex problems. Biotechnology encompasses a wide range of applications such as genetic engineering, bioprocessing, and bioinformatics. It has revolutionized medicine by enabling the development of new drugs, diagnostic tools and therapies for diseases. In agriculture, biotechnology has contributed to the production of genetically modified crops that are more resistant to pests and can withstand adverse environmental conditions. Furthermore, biotechnology has also been used in waste management and pollution control.